All right, let's go ahead and get into this recap that we got going on here for Wednesday, guys. Right now I'm sitting on the 1 hour. Let's jump into that 15-minute here and take a look at some price action and see what we have going on for today. And you can see that here was the beginning of the day and we just went on up. So we're kind of talking about that yesterday when we were looking at price action, and we were talking about that somewhere right in here on yesterday's recap. But as you can see today, as you zoom in onto the price action, you can see the key levels. Here's that 30-minute level. This green line here's your breakout. There's your breakdown, and then you have your daily support and resistance. And yeah, you can see the trade moved out very aggressively. This was the opportunity I took. And then you can see we're also in this trade as well for the bigger picture, that this back tested back here, climbed back up, and then we were waiting for it to do the breakout. And then, of course, we were looking for it to go to this level right here. As you can see, we ran up to that level. This is on the 15-minute. And we kind of back tested this area, and now we're kind of sitting in this area that this could easily pull back in. But we're also into the evening now, so we'll kind of have to see how this trades out. This could have some more up run. We'll have to kind of watch it and see. But let's go ahead and take a look at a little bit of the price action. And this is why you want to use the Kubota Trading Battle Box. It just shows you the strength of getting your key levels for the day again, and be able to take action on that. So let's zoom in on the 5-minute here from the morning. If you watched the daily market, or sorry, watched the live today, you would have seen us talking about this key level and key trading and information that helped to take advantage of the market. Now, you can see that we already had broke up earlier in the morning after the key levels were shown. So this was the potential trade right through here as it broke back above after this hard kick down. You can see that the energy did kick in, but it got bought up pretty fast. Now you may want to trade it somewhere in this area, and you would have got in as this started to break out. It just depends on where you wanted to enter, but that would have been the opportunity in the market. And you can see that it went ahead and went up. Would have been a nice 2-to-1. Now, if you were too aggressive and just put a large stop out, that would have been your exit right here. That still would have been a 1-to-1. And then the reason why I said this was the entry back here on the 15-minute, you can see that it was testing this key area right through here. And you're really waiting for it to get above the 21 and break out. And that happened right here. We got above the 21. Now, you could have got in right here as well, because this would have been another area above the 21, and it's breaking out. This is where you just would have had to been patient as it traded back down through here. And now, if you started to loss this area, this would have been a good time to get out. Even if you said, hey, I'm going to get out right here, take a small loss, and then get back in as it broke again, that would have been smart as well. But this should have held down below that key level there. And then you really been looking for it to take out this target up here from the weekly. And as you can see that it did trade on up. Now, again, using the 5-minute rule, we did have a lot of kind of ups and downs, so that would have really been the exit. So really, it would have been 2 1-to-1 trades and taking advantage of the opportunity for today. Now, you can see that we did run up, and right here, we're sitting in this current area. Also, that would have been another exit. And more than likely, it looks like it does kind of want to possibly roll over and come back and at least test this kind of key area. We'll have to see. We could get some sideways movement here and maybe some more up into the evening. This does have a bigger target. You saw that's why I was sitting on the 1 hour. Originally when we were looking at price action, and well, maybe it was here it is right here. So you can see this is a bigger target. It looks like it does want to go up 26, 27 off of this area. We did get the breakout though, so I wouldn't be surprised if we came back down and tested this area and then ran on up. We'll have to see though. Right now the 1 hour does show that it could roll over here. Right now your MACD is still bullish, but it is showing softening in histogram. You have RSI kind of wanting to roll over here. And I mean, your RSI is looking at rolling over, your stochastics are the same way. So you do show some softness up here where this could kind of pull back, even if it pulled back down into this area right through here, or even tested this breakout area. Would not surprise me. So we'll just kind of have to watch to see how the evening goes and then take advantage on Thursday's price action. But that's about it, guys. Like and subscribe. Catch out the live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday again at 8 Central Standard Time. Always going over these key levels as well. But yeah, take advantage of everything as much as you can. But that's about it, and we will see you guys in the next review. Thank you.